Hello and welcome to the show. Today I'm here with the author of Stiff, The Curious Lives of Human Cadavers, Mary Roach.
Thanks for having me.
This book is not afraid to talk about the controversial topics such as cannibalism, but the topic we're going to talk about today is the decomposition of the body. Mary, can you please tell us your experience of body decomposition?
Well, I got to witness firsthand the stages of decomposition. Behind the University of Tennessee Medical Center is a field of which dozens of bodies are laid in the sun to decay. The first body we observed was in the first stage of decomposition, the fresh stage.
Well, that's ironic.
That's what I thought. The skin seemed to be loosening around the fingers. All of the entrances into the body were filled with maggots.
How is the smell?
A mix between rotten fruit and rotten meats. It's disturbingly sweet but also foul. The second body we observed had an extremely extended stomach. It was in the second stage called bloat. The bloating of the stomach is a product of intestinal gases building up in the stomach with no way to escape. If you listen very closely, you can hear the maggots feeding on the body. It sounded like a bowl of Rice Krispies.
Well, now I know what cereal never to buy anymore.
I know what you mean, but after a few more bodies, we took a break and went to lunch.
A break sounds like a good idea right about now. Thanks for coming in, Mary.
Thank you for having me. Hopefully I'll never see your body in the morgue one day.
When we come back, I'll be sitting down with two scientists who are going to explain what exactly happens when we decompose.
Eat Rice Krispies.
Welcome back. I'm here with two scientists specializing on body decomposition. Please welcome Dr. Rebello and Dr. Bali.
Thanks for having us on the show.
Now, before we went to commercial, I was here with Mary Roach on her experience on body decomposition. Can you please go into further detail on the process?
Sure. In the first stage, the fresh stage so-called, the body undergoes a process called autolysis. Autolysis occurs when enzymes are released from lysosomes into the cytoplasm. Without the stomach to keep enzymes in check, they begin to break down the body. Also, the heart no longer controls the blood, and it seeps to the bottom of the body, leaving a pale color. Basically, the body starts to self-destruct.
The second stage is bloat and putrefaction. Normally, the enzymes in our stomach break down proteins, and the bacteria in our gut break down those proteins into amino acids. When the stomach and gut fail, the bacteria go out of control and eat us. Because the intestine collapses, intestinal gas, a waste product of bacteria metabolism, builds up. Bloat is the most noticeable in the abdomen, where the most number of bacteria are. The muscles are eaten up by bacteria, which are no longer monitored by the brain. Without the brain to control the body, the organs are no longer functioning, and the movement of bacteria is no longer controlled.
Then, the third stage, called active decay, occurs. In active decay, the body starts to lose all its weight. Maggots and bacteria reduce body mass and spread throughout the body.
The fourth stage is advanced decay. Temperatures can either speed up or slow down quickly, depending on how a body reaches this phase. The body has very little body mass, and soil staining of the surrounding soils is still evident. Maggots will migrate away from the body, and flies will cease laying eggs. Homeostasis is also not maintained during this stage.
The last step to this cycle is called dry decay. Basically, the enzyme rate goes down due to environment changes which occur in the step before. So overall, the body is skin and bones.
Who wants to be right as the rain is better when something is wrong? You get excitement in your bones and everything you do's a game. When night comes and you're on your own, you can say I chose to be alone. Who wants to be right as the rain? It's harder when you're on top. 'Cause when hard work don't pay off and I'm tired, there ain't no room in my bed as far as I'm concerned. So wipe that dirty smile off. We won't be making up. I've cried my heart out. Now I've had enough of love. Who wants to be right in the high when you just crumble back?
Thank you for coming in today, and thank you for watching.
Bye!
Who wants to be right?
on, pull it together. Oh my gosh.
You get excitement in your bones. Everything lose again. When night comes in
It's one line,
Come
Liza.
on.
Between rotten fruit and rotten meat. It's
No, no,
disturbingly
Wait until you hear this.
between rotten fruit and rotten.
Keep going.
A mix between rotten fruit and rotten meat. It's disturbingly
Hello and welcome to the show. Today I'm This book is not afraid to talk about the controversial, not afraid to talk about the hard-hitting topics such as why can't I? Alright.
I don't think dead bodies have to last long enough.
Yeah.
Sure. In the first stage, the fresh stage, the body undergoes a process called.
Oh my gosh, Avni.
What happens if I don't do
Okay,
both?
sorry.
I know. I didn't do both.
Do I repeat sure again? So basically, in this step, the body begins to self-destruct.
Rachel.
Why'd you ruin it? It was so good.
So basically, the body in this step begins to self-destruct. And
Oh my God, Rachel, I will shoot you.
Look at me.
No, just zoom in on me. Screw her. Get out of here.
Look at me.
Just zoom in on me.
Your eye came from the side.
Get
Look at you.
Okay.
Keep going.
Then, in the third stage, it starts to. What the hell is written here?
Now, before we went to commercial, I was here with Mary Roach on her experience on body decomposition. Can you please go into further detail on the process?
Sure.
Wow!
I was sure.